Morning guys, it is November 17th, 2023. I got a call from a lady. I know her through my daughter's marriage. She's related to my daughter's husband. But anyway, she called me in a panic last night that she had a new washer and dryer installed in the basement, and when they brought it in, I guess there's a toilet down there. They hit the toilet, and now the toilet's leaking water all over the place, and she says the copper line goes in the ground. She don't know if the line's broken in the ground or there's a big flood over there. So I guess when they brought the washing machine and dryer in or out, they hit the toilet, they whacked it. She said it moved over a couple inches, which is quite a bit. So I'm thinking that maybe you know, the water line was hooked up to the toilet, so maybe they strained, cracked the tank to bowl bolts on the toilet, or cracked the toilet, or hopefully it's just the valve leaking. I can tighten up. Hopefully it's not the line that's in the concrete. She said something about she said something about the garage had a lot of water in it also, and I think the garage is probably on the same level as the basement. So that's a raised ranch. I've been there before. I know she has a toilet in the bathroom, the basement down there, because guest toilet type of thing, you know? I don't know. But anyway, that's the story, and I'm going over there. She called me last night, I don't know, 7, 8 o'clock, and wanted me to go by. I said, shut off the water, and I'll go by in the morning, in case it's a big job. I don't like working late like that at night. I'd rather not. Unless it's a serious emergency and I have to go out. Well, that's different, but on something like that, she's got more than one toilet. She shut the water off. I told her to fill a couple of buckets up with water to flush them. But I guess I called her this morning, and she had a shut off that she was able to shut off to that area, and the water stopped. So probably not as bad as first expected. Hopefully. Yeah, we don't want no hard ones, Molly. It's Friday, you know. We want no hard job on a Friday. Yeah, there's definitely enough room to get by there, right? I mean, they shouldn't have been whacking the toilet.
No.
You got the water off, you said, right?
No, the house water is on. Yeah. I wasn't sure.
The thing was, I could tighten the thing by hand.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah,
yeah, these bolts are loose too. The tank bolts are loose.
That was what I was kind of afraid.
It might be dripping from the tank down, right?
Yeah.
Might be dripping from the tank down because they put a lot of strain on it. They kicked it, you said, right?
I don't know. I wasn't here. Lynn was here. And
she says it was moved 2 inches.
Well, that's what she said, yeah. But she had moved it back.
She moved it back.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's loose.
Oh, Henry, look at all the tools. You love tools.
That don't seem too bad.
They're in that big black box over there.
Yeah, that packing, that was definitely loose.
Yeah.
That might have been dripping. You know, what might have happened is this tank bolts underneath here that probably loose. And see if I can tighten them. Hopefully.
Why don't you come over this way?
Yeah, see, I can tighten these by hand. That's too loose. So that might have been what happened is when they whacked it.
Yeah, they moved
they
it.
They put strain on it, right?
Yeah.
And these bolts were loose because I'm tightening them up by hand here. Like, if that was the case, then the toilet would be leaking. Yeah, I mean, I got a lot of movement on those. All right, go turn the water on that you have off, and we'll try
The
it.
only place
Okay.
it's off is right there.
Oh, this is the only place that it was off.
Yeah, because we turned it off there and cleaned everything up, dried it all, and then just tried to watch. And so nothing was dripping anymore in here at that point, and then we waited for the garage to dry out.
And that's good news then.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping you would agree.
We should be able to just turn this water back on. It's not leaking from any joint, so there was nothing major.
Thank God.
It was the toilet. The toilet bolts were probably loose. And when they're moving it, whacking it like that, didn't help it any, right?
Yeah. And now the case of the toilet that drains, is no concern for that. If they moved it 2 inches, that's it.
There's a wax seal under there. I'm gonna make sure it's tight. That's just, wait, I'm gonna make sure everything's tight. The wax seal is for the toilet, the sewer smell.
Okay.
Because when you dump the toilet, it should dump right into the pipe, and as long as the drain's not backing up, it's not gonna leak. Because it dumps right into the it dumps directly right into the pipe.
Okay.
So it's probably not gonna back up unless this thing's loose, unless they broke something.
Well, the whole base of the toilet was like more so in the front because it was on an angle. It was over about, I'd say, 2 inches.
Yeah. Let me make sure everything's tight here.
And I was able to move it back. So.
Yeah. Well, so far it don't look like it's leaking. So.
Oh no, you're gonna have to wait, but.
Obviously, the thing's not supposed to be doing the funky chicken down here. You know?
Yeah.
I think you got off easy. Luckily. This one was definitely loose. Alright, she's reattached. It's tight. It was no big deal.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Long before we realized that it had happened.
Yeah, from it sitting and not being used, everything kinda needs to be tightened up every so often, unfortunately. Same thing with us, right? Yeah, so. Obviously the guy shouldn't have been hitting it with the... Probably not the best model citizen there, they're movers. Right?
Right.
Ain't that the truth, huh?
They got me. They seemed so nice when they got here.
Alright, go. You want to go check the garage, but I think it's fine. I don't see any water here, so.
Oh,
No biggie.
you want me to go? What?
See all that panicking for nothing.
Oh, that's what Nathan told me. He was like, don't panic.
Well, maybe there's nothing before on them.
Yeah, you don't want to panic because that means high cortisol levels, stress,
I know. Not good about that.
and then you can't sleep. Right? Did you sleep okay?
I did sleep okay once I fell asleep. I had a little trouble falling asleep.
A lot of girls are like that. They have a hard time falling asleep.
Your mind is just going. That's
I don't know why, but it seems like a lot of girls have that issue.